Welcome to our health channel.
Imagine waking up every day with a pain that doesn't go away, or knowing that a loved one is battling a condition with no cure in sight. Diseases, in all their forms, bring challenges that go beyond physical symptoms. They affect mental health, relationships, and the overall quality of life. Disease is defined as a specific pathological condition that results from abnormalities in the structure or function of body tissues, organs, or systems. Meanwhile, scientists and researchers are working tirelessly to find new treatments and hopefully cures. Every day, there are advancements in medicine that bring us one step closer to easing the burden of these diseases. The journey of a drug from lab to market, the entire life cycle of a pharmaceutical product, from research to reaching consumers. Have you ever wondered how the medication in your cabinet got there? The journey of a drug from the lab to the market is a complex, time-consuming, and expensive process, often taking over a decade and costing billions of dollars. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of this intricate process, from initial research to the moment it reaches consumers. Let's dive in. Drug discovery and early research. The drug development process can be broadly divided into 6 steps. 1. Identifying a molecular drug target. 2. Identifying a first lead compound. 3. Lead optimization. 4. Preclinical safety and efficacy trials. 5. Clinical trials in man. And 6. Regulatory approval and launch. Target identification. It involves identifying a specific biological molecule, often a protein that plays a key role in a disease or pathological condition. The identified target is where a potential drug will act to alter the course of the disease. Identifying a molecular drug target. To fight a disease effectively, it's important to understand how people who have the disease differ from those who don't. Molecules in the pathways that influence the development or progression of a disease are potential drug targets. Target selection is the decision to focus on finding an agent with a particular biological action and have therapeutic utility. Target validation. It involves confirming that the selected target is directly involved in the disease process and that modulating this target can have a therapeutic effect. Hit identification. This process involves testing thousands to millions of compounds to identify hits, compounds that interact with the target. Hit-to-lead hits are further analyzed and optimized to improve their potency, selectivity, and drug-like properties, leading to the identification of lead compounds. Lead optimization. Chemical modification. The lead compounds are chemically modified to enhance their efficacy, reduce toxicity, and improve pharmacokinetics, how the drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted in the body. In vitro and in vivo testing. The optimized compounds are tested in cell cultures and animal models to assess their therapeutic potential, safety, and biological activity. Preclinical research includes testing the compound in the lab and on animals to evaluate its safety, efficacy, and biological activity. This phase can take several years as researchers refine the compound, ensuring it's potent enough to work but safe enough to proceed to the next step. Clinical trials. Once preclinical research is successful, the drug moves into clinical trials, which are conducted in 3 phases and involve human volunteers. These trials are designed to test the drug's safety, efficacy, dosage, and side effects. Phase 1 trials involve a small group of healthy volunteers to assess the drug's safety and determine the appropriate dosage. Phase 2 trials expand the study to patients who have the condition the drug is intended to treat. This phase aims to determine the drug's efficacy and further evaluate its safety. Phase 3 trials involve a much larger group of patients, often across multiple locations. This phase confirms the drug's effectiveness, monitors side effects, and compares it to commonly used treatments. Regulatory review and approval. Regulatory review is a critical step in the drug's journey. The regulatory body examines all clinical trial data to ensure the drug is safe and effective for its intended use. This process can take several months to a few years. If approved, the drug can be marketed to consumers. Manufacturing and distribution. With approval in hand, large-scale manufacturing begins. Pharmaceutical companies must produce the drug consistently and at a high quality, which involves setting up or scaling up production facilities. Once manufactured, the drug must be distributed to pharmacies, hospitals, and clinics around the world. This distribution network is complex, requiring meticulous planning to ensure the drug is available where and when it's needed, all while maintaining its integrity during transport. Post-market surveillance and pharmacovigilance. Even after a drug hits the market, the journey isn't over. Post-market surveillance, also known as pharmacovigilance, is critical to monitor the drug's long-term safety. Companies and regulatory bodies track adverse effects and other data to ensure ongoing safety and efficacy. Sometimes additional studies are required to explore the drug's effectiveness in broader populations or for other uses. If any serious issues are identified, the drug might be recalled or additional warnings may be issued. The drug in the hands of consumers. Finally, after years of research, trials, and regulatory hurdles, the drug reaches consumers. Whether it's a life-saving medication or a simple over-the-counter remedy, the journey from the lab to the market ensures that every drug is safe and effective for those who need it. But remember, this journey doesn't stop here. Ongoing research and monitoring continue to ensure that every drug remains a trusted option for patients and healthcare providers. The journey of a drug from lab to market is long and intricate, involving countless experts and resources. The next time you pick up a prescription or over-the-counter medication, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of pharmaceuticals. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of the fascinating world of medicine.